Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, we're going to do a fireplace wall. We bought an electric fireplace months ago, and we have had this fireplace on the wall right up under the TV, so we decided that we needed something to make it look finished. So what we decided to do was hire the same guys that built our cabinets around the fireplace in our family room to build a fireplace wall. This was their first time doing something like this, so we all talked through it, and I kind of told them what I wanted, and they put it together. I like using these guys because they do quality work. This is not plywood, this is hard, thick wood, and it's a father and son team, so I really just like them, and I really just enjoy, speaking with them all the time. So they had to actually this is their second time putting this cabinet up, because the first time they did it, they measured it, but it just wasn't quite right. So this is probably a week from the first time that they actually came in to do the first cabinet. So this time it turned out good. We did a couple of tweaks to it just because we just decided we did not want a little cabinet at the bottom, nor did we want a hole at the top. So we just kind of tweaked it a little bit, but overall this turned out fantastic. Now we did have to divert the heating element outside just because we didn't think about this when we bought it, because we really didn't know we were going to get a wall built around it. So we should have got a fireplace that had the heating element in the front, but we didn't. Such is life. My husband came up with the great idea to kind of use like a dryer diversion system. I don't know. I don't even know what you call it, but whatever it was, he did it. It ended up turning out great. We ended up putting a vent on the side of the fireplace wall. It works fantastic, and it still heats up the room. To me, it was a really clever idea. Here, Jason is going to cut a little hole so we can divert the hose for the heat source so that it can kind of flow out into the room. So we had to cut a little hole. And I'm just being his assistant, of course, as always. And that's the part that we're gonna put to the outside of the room. So it's on the other side of the room, so nobody can see it. So that's why I didn't really mind. What we're doing here is Jason had to pull the wires from the on-off switch of the light in the ceiling fan. He had to pull it forward just because the cabinet, we didn't want to have to reach into the cabinet to turn the lights on. So he went and got some dimmers and just pulled the wires forward. And we did have to turn, of course, the breakers off to make sure we didn't electrocute ourselves. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this was their first time building a wall like this. So there was a couple things that they didn't know, what to do. One, they didn't realize that the actual electric fireplace that we had actually was a real fireplace. They thought it was just for looks, but that didn't bother me because the overall work that they did was quality work. So these are the boards that we use to actually put on the front and the sides of that fireplace wall. I was going to paint it, and then Jason found this. So we went to Home Depot or Lowe's, I can't remember which one, to buy these. And Jason just nailed them onto the cabinet wall. If you look on the side to your right, you can see how the heating element is coming out the side. You see how Jason is covering up all the cutouts that the guys made, just because I didn't necessarily really like that part. And the guys did a hole because they wanted air to flow out when the TV was up and on there. We decided that we were going to do something else. The way we did it, it turned out good when we put the wood over that. So I am so happy.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance up.
And just to let you guys know, this is going to be a two-part series because it was so long. I just knew you guys were not about to just sit and watch this long video. So I did cut this video down. The next video that I will put up will be a decorate with me, because I did get some new furniture for my master bedroom, and I am so excited to show you guys that little piece that I got just to add with this. And I will decorate the fireplace also, because we did put a mantle on this fireplace and it just turned out really nice.
We got one summer, so let's make
So you guys stay tuned to the next video where you guys see me decorate my room with my new furniture, and I am so excited. You guys should see my face as I'm sitting here doing this voiceover. I have a huge smile on my face because had I painted this would have took me forever, because I like that whitewash look, and that's the look I'm going for in my room. So I'm so excited.
I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever.
So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys finish watching the video. If you are new here, welcome. You guys, thank you for clicking on my video. To all my old subscribers, I love you guys. As always, thanks for all the support. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the comments. I am just so grateful for you guys. And just make sure you stay tuned for the next video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.